So I had an idea today based on some opinions and suggestions from what people have said. I'm gonna be making some food today. So I just got to the store. I'm at Super One right now. I just need like 4 ingredients. I need tomatoes, avocados, cilantro, and red bell pepper. Let's just pick that stuff up real quick and then we'll be right out of here. Little shout out, props to Super One. Anyway, we're gonna get our food right here and then we'll be booking it straight to the house. So here we go. Jeez Louise, these are huge tomatoes.
I'm gonna get some sweet potatoes too.
We're gonna just head back to the house now. And I've already selected what type of food it is. It's gonna be the chicken with this corn salsa stuff, and it's going to be great. Let's see, anything else on that? I think that's basically it. Let's just jump right in. I'm getting this recipe off of Chelsea's Messy Apron. It's Chelsea, you know, she's one of our friends. Just kidding, I have no idea who she is, but this seemed like a really good recipe. It's grilled chicken taco bowls with avocado corn salsa. There's a fly. I don't think I've made this before. Yeah, basically we're just gonna go through and make this recipe as best as we can. As you can see, the corn, cilantro, limes, tomatoes, bell pepper. I'm adding a sweet potato. It doesn't require that in the recipe, but I'm adding that. I'm also adding cotija cheese and also a serrano pepper. I've got a red onion, 2 avocados, and a can of black beans. Black beans aren't in the recipe either, but I'm gonna add that to it. We also have the chicken. This is just regular Kirkland signature chicken. Little shout out to our friend, the Spears family. Kelsey corrected me, it was the Spear family. The Spears family for making this homemade salsa for us. It's super good. All right, I've always just wanted to make videos like this, so we're just gonna do it.
Nice.
Everyone get in it. A car chunk.
Whoa, Heidi, that's dangerous.
Heidi.
Heidi, it's dripping. No, Kelsey, not that far. Like right here, so the brightness is like.
Okay. I don't know what you're doing. Here, get your ingredient.
Oh my gosh. I was supposed to take a picture of this and look how crappy it looks. Look at these bite marks on it. Here's Bean right here. Oh, whoa, what you got there?
Smashed avocados.
Guacamole, guacamole.
Oh, nice. So I cooked the corn. Cook the rice. All right, so got the rice cooking, I got the corn cooking. Now let's get on to the cool stuff. Okay, chopped up all the vegetables in the meantime.
This looks awesome.
This is my mom. She taught me everything I know about cooking. And here's my dad right here. And my dad is really good at cooking barbecue. He can barbecue basically anything.
Yep.
And there's
Throw it on the grill, let it do its thing, flip it once or twice, take it off, and you have a great meal.
See, here's his
There you
barbecue. It's like, I'm the best cook. Okay, yeah, warning. Yeah.
My warning part. That's
And
funny.
I just like to cook. So I'm gonna first saute up the sweet potatoes. I'll cook those on the burner until they're almost all the way cooked. Then I'll throw in the chopped up onions, the bell pepper. And then I'll throw in the corn and the serrano pepper, and beans. I'll mix all those beautiful vegetables up together. I'll season the chicken. Grill that up nice and juicy. So first grab a bowl, put your rice in it, then grab some chicken. So you grab your vegetable mixture, basically just mix it all together. Grab some avocado, grab some cotija cheese, crumble some of this cotija cheese. Throw some chili powder on top of that. Grab some fresh salsa. Boom. So now, as you can see, I'm outside. Our neighbors are working on some projects, so don't mind the noise in the background. But I just wanted to kind of make this video for a couple different reasons, but the main reason was because, I mean, I love to cook and I love to eat healthy now. And it's a big part of my life, and I was wanting to share that with you guys today. And to give you a little bit more of a background on how I got good at cooking was when I was little, I was pretty chubby, and the reason why I was chubby was because I was eating excessive amounts of unhealthy food, just food in general actually. And us as the Edwards brothers, Dan, Matt, and Caden, they could all eat whatever they wanted to, and they could eat pancakes and they could eat peanut butter and jellies and all these different things growing up, and they wouldn't get fat. They were fit, they were like super ripped growing up, and I just kept packing on the weight. So for a while I'd try these like different diets and stuff to like try to help me to like lose weight and to be more like them. I remember one time Matt, our babysitter, was having Matt, my older brother, do sit-ups, and he was doing like hundreds of them, and I could barely do 5 of them. I wanted to change, so I started working out, and I realized a big part of working out and getting healthy was our diet. And so I started to change my diet, but I still love to eat tasty food. It brings a lot of like comfort to me in my life. And so what I did was, over the years, as I was eating food and making food, I started to make healthier, tastier food. And I learned that you can make tasty, healthy food right in your kitchen. You don't have to go out to stores and buy it. After a while, I just applied myself, and now cooking has just become a part of my lifestyle, and I just love to cook. So I mean, I gotta try this. I've been waiting this whole time to try this as I've been talking and eat. I've already explained it. See? It's amazing. Like, I'm literally not saying this just to like make this more of an interesting video. Like, this is seriously so good. We'll probably just wrap it up right there. We're trying to get more publicity to our video, so if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified of our next week's video. We'll see you guys next week. I got the berry flavor. It's pretty good.